Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have a huge purchase that I made for myself this Christmas, and this is the Elemis skin calendar. It's the Advent calendar for this year. Haven't even gone through this, haven't even taken it out of this little plastic or this little paper surrounding. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this, just keep on watching. Before I get started taking them out, I'm just going to show you what it looks like when you take that little paper off of there. And so this is what it looks like when you open it up. I think it opens pretty easily. I could be very wrong though. So I'm going to open this up and I'll come back because for some reason this is not opening. Hey everyone, so it actually did not open very nicely. I ended up ripping part of it unfortunately, but this is what the inside looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and start with one. Looks like there's 25 days in this calendar, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I have my daughter helping me out, so she has found the number 1 here, so nothing too special, and they all look the same with this design. So I'm just going to go ahead, so it looks like on the inside, so what this is, I'm not sure. Okay, so this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So I haven't used this. I haven't used a lot of products from Elemis, but I do like the ones that I've used. That's why I really wanted to try this Advent calendar this year to see what else I really do and will like from this brand. So yeah, number 1, and I don't think this is a full size. This looks like maybe a big sample size, so we'll have to see. I paid $300 for the calendar and it's supposed to be worth almost $800, $777. So the first one, of course, is this here, the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Alright, so number 2, of course, that's what this one looks like. That's what it looks like on the inside. And this is the night cream. This is a Pro Collagen night cream. It says it's an anti-wrinkle hydrating night cream. So number 2, I'm excited for this. I like using night creams and anything that's supposed to help your skin overnight. I really do enjoy using them. So number 3 is a little bit bigger here, and that's what the inside looks like. I will say there's a lot of space in here for what is in these boxes so far, but I'll just go ahead and show you. This is the Elemis, I'm not going to be able to say this, Frangipani Monoi Shower Cream. Anyway, it's a luxurious shower cream, so that's what it looks like. And I don't know if there is, I'm not going to be able to smell it yet because it has a sticker on it, but there we go. Number 3 is a shower cream. So number 4, another big box and a very small product. Kind of strange. They could have probably made this Advent calendar box a lot smaller than they did, but that's okay. So this is the Elemis Superfood Facial Oil, and so doesn't say much with this, but there we go. Number 4 is a facial oil. Number 5 looks like this. Again, very small. I'm kind of disappointed with the sizes so far. But this is the Pro Collagen Vitality Eye Cream. This might actually be a full size since it's an eye cream. So I'm hoping this is a full size. It says that there is 4 milliliters or 1 full ounce. So hopefully this is the full size. And maybe I'll look into it more when the video is done. And I'll go ahead and show you what each of these is valued at. This is number 6, and so it looks like, and they have some of these that are just these, they keep them preservatives or whatever. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. So I do like cleansing balms, so this does not look like a full size again, but yeah, I do like the rose fragrance sometimes, so I think this is going to be really nice to use. So number 7 is right here. Go ahead and show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is really soft. Looks like a cloth of some sort. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up, see what it is. Okay, so what does this say? I mean, it's pretty good size. Yeah, it's just the size of a regular washcloth. And doesn't say anything else about it, but I'm assuming this is like a makeup eraser, so I'll have to let you know. But it is really nice, really soft, and hopefully it works well. I do like makeup erasers, so hopefully this is just as good as those. Okay, so number 8 looks like this, of course. That's what the inside looks like. This looks like a little bit bigger, which is nice. For the price of this box, I hope they have a few really nice sizes. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. So yeah, this regular cleanser. Don't think there's anything too special about it. It just says massage the damp skin to the fingertips, add water, and lather and rinse off. So yeah, a cleanser. So number 9 looks like this. So go ahead and open it up. This is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Moisture Essence. So that's what this one looks like, and it just says use morning and evening and cleanse after cleansing and toning. Shake the bottle to dispense. Gently pat and press in the skin. Okay, so we'll see about this. I haven't used anything like this before. I'm certain it's just kind of like an oil for your skin or a serum, so I'll let you know how this works for my skin. Alright, number 10, and this one looks a little bit bigger. It's almost the full size of this box, which is impressive because I think this is the first one that I have found that is almost the same size as the box. So let's see, this is the LMS Soothing Apricot Toner. This is a calming facial toner, so it'd be nice to try that out. And this is a pretty good size to really know if you like this product. And I mean, I usually like toners, so I'll let you know, of course, like I always say, but so yep, number 10 is now a apricot toner. Number 11 here, and this is what it looks like. So this one is wrapped. So I'm gonna unwrap this and we'll see what it is. Okay, well this one looks to be a headband. So that's what it looks like, and I mean, I guess these are nice to use. I probably would use this when I'm putting my makeup on. I'm sure that's what it's for. But so yeah, it's just a headband, really nice and soft, and hopefully it doesn't stain very easily and comes clean since it's white. That's what I always think of when I have anything white. Hopefully these wash easily and come clean easily. Right, number 12 here. So this is what it looks like, and what is this? Okay, so this is the Skin Nourishing Milk Bath Bathing Milk. So this is what it looks like, and I honestly didn't know what to expect from this box, but it does have a lot of different variety. I thought it was just going to be for your face, but it looks like there's a lot more to this brand than I even ever knew of. Alright, so number 13, this is what it looks like. A bottle in here. This is the I don't know why I cannot say this. Frangipani Manoi Body Oil. So this looks like it's for hair, nail, and body oil. That's a really small for the body. I think I will use this on my hands and on like my nails like they say, but for body, this will be used up really fast if you're using it all over your body. But I will definitely give this a try. So number 14, and again, really small product in these boxes. So this is the Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. It's a rejuvenating eye mask, and it's very small, but hopefully it's a good product because I've never used this before. Okay, so number 15, so I'm just going to go ahead. This is what it looks like. This is almost the size of the box anyway. This is another facial wash. It's a dynamic resurfacing facial wash. So yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. It's probably pretty nice, and I'll just have to let you know like I always say, but yep, so another facial wash. There's 16 here, and this is what the box looks like. This at least, look at that, it's going to the whole part of the box, the whole thing. That's amazing. It must be a full size. This is the LMS Frangipani Monoi, and I'm not saying that right, I apologize, body cream. So that makes sense if you have the shower gel in the bath, and then you have the body cream as well. So yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy this. I'm sure this is going to be, I don't really want to open these yet, but yeah, it doesn't say what scent this is, but I'm excited to try it. 17 here, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it out. So this is the Superfood Midnight Facial Sleeping Cream. So again, another overnight, like a mask type of situation, so I'll definitely give this a try. Number 18, and this is the box looks like. Look at all this. They could have put so much more in here, honestly. But this is what it looks like. This is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, but it's a very small one. I wish this is a little bit bigger, honestly. Right, so number 19 here. Box looks like. Open that up. This is the Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator. So there we go. An exfoliator. I think this is the first exfoliator we've had in this calendar so far. So number 20, go ahead and show you. So it looks like, so let's see what this is. This is a Pro Collagen Morning Matrix Day Cream. So definitely we'll use these. I go through a lot of face creams, lotions, things like that. So definitely this will be coming in sooner rather than later. Number 21, guys. This is getting ridiculous. Look at this. Look at this. Look at Do you see how small that is compared to this box size? They did not need to have this. I really wish this was bigger. Alright, what is it? This is the Pro Collagen Renewal Serum. So this is what this looks like. And I am going to go at the end and see what all this retails for. Because they're saying, like I said, $777. And so far, I'm not seeing where that's coming from, honestly. So number 22, and this is what it looks like. Another, do I have to say more? Another empty box, basically. This is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, but I do like that it's a moisturizer. Again, I do love moisturizers. I go through a lot of them. We're almost there. Here is number 23, and this is what the inside looks like. So open it up. This is a Pro Collagen Rose Marine Cream. It's a hydrating day cream. This looks to be another sample, I think. I'm not quite sure though. Right, so number 24, and I think there's one more, but this is what it looks like. And this is a dynamic resurfacing facial pads. So, yeah, I guess I'm not quite, I don't really want to open them, but it's just, I'm just going to do it. All right, so that's what that is. There's a little smell, not much, but okay. So, facial pads. Okay, number 25, and I hope this is worth it because this is the last one in this calendar, and we've had a lot of samples in my opinion. So this looks like, and open it. So it is a full size. It's a Pro Collagen Marine Cream Hydrating Day Cream. So I have got to go and look at the totals for all this. I'll put them on the screen when I edit this video. But I'm not sure that this box is what they claim it is meant to be. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. I am a little disappointed, honestly, unless these are worth a lot more than I think they are, and I'll know that when I sit down and look at the prices, but these seem to be really small for what I paid. I'll go ahead and show you before I go off. Everyone, so this is everything that was in the box, and I'm not very impressed, honestly. These look to be a lot of sample sizes and not worth what I paid for this box, but hopefully these products are worth more than what I think they are. Alright everyone, so I actually decided instead of ending the video there that I was going to see how much all of this was actually worth, what I paid for. So again, I paid $300, I did all the math, and I will have all of the prices listed as I'm going through all the products with you. But altogether, I came up with a total of, with all the products that you can buy, and I'll show you a picture here, well, $661.50. And then we had some samples that I couldn't find prices for, and I did the math with what they said. They said, of course, that the box was worth $777. So by subtracting what I found were prices for all the products that I could, and what those prices were, it came up with $115.50 for all the samples, including things like this. So I'll have some pictures of these products as I have just told you about them. But all in all, I think this box was really good. I am very excited. I just had to come in here and say that I was wrong. I at first thought this box was not worth the money, but it just surprises me how much skincare really goes for sometimes. And honestly, I'm not always buying the most expensive skincare, so it just surprises me how much some of that skincare can go for. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.